Welcome back, folks. In this video, we're going to be drawing Zapdos from Pokemon. If you must know, Zapdos is known as the electric Pokemon. He's a legendary Pokemon, and electric and flying. And basically, when Zapdos is hit by a bolt of lightning, its power increases. This legendary Pokemon can bend electricity to its will. That's a pretty awesome feature. Anyways, when drawing Zapdos, you must start with the eye first. Okay then. There is Zapdos' head. Now let's draw the rest of his body. There's Zapdos' feet. Make sure to draw some huge talons in there. Anyways, Zapdos, he was seen in like one special and one movie. One with a gigantic Pokemon, and the one involving Pokemon 2000. Yeah, the one that came in the year after that. Now we just draw the huge wings sticking out of his back. By the way, just 2 days ago, I got myself a new video game called Pokemon Snap. Now we just draw the bottom. And another thing about Zapdos is, well, he's an exclusive to Pokemon X and Pokemon Y. He can only be selected from a certain Pokemon, either from Chespin, Fennekin, or Froakie. Basically, all three. Anyways, that's how you draw Zapdos. And you remember when Ash and Go tried to catch him? I thought he won, but unfortunately they didn't catch him. Maybe they'll get the chance to catch him one day. I did hear they catch Suicune. Sorry about that, folks. Anyways, that's how you draw Zapdos and Stegosaurus. See you later.